Hello everyone and welcome to EDFN 211 Foundations of Modern Education. I just want to give you a quick tour of our D2L class page, and don't mind me, this is my instructor view, so you will be seeing some things that you will not be able to see while you are in your student view. So when you log in, this is our class homepage, and it's very simple and organized in such a way that you can have access to things that are most relevant. And for example, announcement. All our announcement will be on the homepage, and if there is anything, it's gonna be events that are coming up that are linked to our classroom. You will be seeing that in the upcoming events. And this is a course content browser, but accessing that from here will give you access to only limited content. So I may advise anytime if you want to explore content, you go through resources, which I will get back there in a moment. And here is my information. The easiest way to get hold of me is through email, and I will get back to you as quick as possible. And or if you want to have a meeting during my office hours, you can just come into the class page, click on the link and use this password. Then you will be able to attend to meet me in this during these meetings. And also for our class meetings, so you can just come here and click on this link on Mondays 9 to 10, on Tuesdays and Thursdays 9 to 10:15 a.m. and the passcode is also written as EDFN 211 and on these days. So let's go in here. If you want to explore content, you will go to resources, go to content, and here you will have access to tons of things that were posted. So for like right now, you will only be having access to module 0, and where you will find a welcome note, which is here, and the syllabus. So I also urge you to read content here on the course netiquette, discussion boards, expectations, and also screencasting tutorials, because I believe some days you will have that, an activity or a discussion that will require us to use any of these resources. So please try to explore them. And you can see all here are hidden, so on your main list or on your main page you will not be able to see that until if I make this visible. As it is right now, they are not visible to the students. So as we progress towards the week, you will have access to all the content on the relevant weeks. Then going into communication, here this is where our announcement is, which is also there is a link on the home page. You will have access to all the announcements, but maybe if an announcement is gone for past week, you want to read something related to that, you can come in here and you will be able to see past announcements and discussions. So this is a feature that we will be using most frequently in this course. This help button, I encourage all of us to subscribe on it, so that anytime if you have a quick question related to the course or related to anything that you need a community response, I mean the class, you can just post it here and people in the class can see that. If they see that ahead of me, someone can help with whatever you ask, or if I see that also, I will be here. So I already subscribed to this thread, so I will be able to receive an email notification whenever something is posted here. Then the next thing is our self-introduction, which is going to come here as well, and I believe you will going to have mine very soon. That will be a guide for you on what are the expectations, except that I might not going to answer like these questions as they are here, but it's just a good way to you introduce yourself so that your peers in the class will get to know you through here. And you can do a 5 minutes video or a 10 slides, so whichever one is easy for you, please do that. Then these are the remaining discussions, and there is no thread as it is right now, but all the content will be filled in as we progress through the week. Then now assignments. When you click on the assignments, it's going to take you to all the assignment, and please take a note, there is no need for you to submit anything on here. on the self-introduction because you are posting that on a discussion board. So there is no need for you to post anything here, because if you post something here, I'm the only person that can see that. Your peers cannot see that. And with this sign, it's showing me that it's connected to your gradebook. So once you post your discussion post, I read that, I watch that, and I will just be able to come here and post your grade, and it will show on your gradebook. Also the same with discussion posts from 1 to 5. You don't have to post anything up here. They are all needed to be posted on that discussion post. You go onto the communication, you go to discussions, then you go to the appropriate post week, then you make your post there. The analysis paper, this one you will post it here because it's just for me to see, to grade. And your quiz 1 and quiz 2 also, you don't have to post anything here, and I will show you where you will access that. For block synthesis project and field trip, we will discuss that when we meet in our first meeting. So you will have an idea where this material goes, and also we will have many meetings to discuss this in group, so don't worry about that. And this Act 126 is also a training required. You have to take that, and when we get closer to the time for this meeting, I will also shoot a video to guide you on how you can have access to that. So if you want to have access to the quiz when we get there, at the time you will take it, you will go onto assignments, you go to quizzes, and this is where your quiz or quizzes will appear. So right now we don't have it yet, so it's just to give you an idea, especially for those of us that this is our first semester at Millersville and also using D2L. Every professor organizes his or her class differently, so this is why I feel it's necessary to give you a quick tour. So please take your time to explore, and if you have any question related to anything from this page or related to the 211 course, please feel free, reach out through email or during my office hours. And I look forward to our time this semester together. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.